All right, welcome back. Finally got something for you guys to watch, maybe. So I finally got the truck pretty well finished up. Actually hauled a little over a week with it so far. So I just wanted to do a little video of kind of the finished product. Because some of the stuff I haven't shown you that I did do. So what we got here is our 2024 Kenworth W900. It is the standard hood model with the extended day cab. And we built this thing into a log truck over the winter. All right, so let's go ahead and open the hood. I'll show you underneath here. This hood is pretty nice, opens up very easy, unlike the previous truck. So there's the X15, and like I say, I got about 2,000 miles on it so far, and everything seems to be going pretty well. Show this side. I guess I did add the little filter to the heater and air conditioner. Try to keep the dust out of the cab. All right, and I did add some taller smokestacks, or exhaust stacks, I guess, since there's no smoke. So I put 54-inch flat tops on it, which I think makes it look quite a bit better. Got name and number. I haven't cleaned out wiped the inside down. I just blew it out. But we got our scale box mounted here by the driver's seat. California deal, because I know you guys up Oregon and Washington mount them inside because it's always raining up there, but here we don't have the rain. Did have the VIT interior. You've seen a lot of this, but already I'm still kind of trying to get the inside organized. I'd like to find a different set of floor mats because these ones sure slide around. I think these are made for like a standard cab and not a extended day cab, because they move around and get hung up in my boot and stuff. It drives me crazy. So anyway, yeah, we got 1,999 miles on it. I think I hauled, let's see, about 11 loads so far. I did add a switch here for the backup alarm, so this will turn the backup alarm on and that turns it off, so that way I don't wake the neighbors up in the morning. Yeah, so we have power divider, front locker, and the rear locker, and the dump for the air suspension. So yeah, seems all good. All right, we'll go back out and I'll give you a tour of the rest of it. So just has the single 120-gallon fuel tank on it. Got the head rack all finished up and mounted. I think it turned out pretty darn good. I still need to add the glad hands up there for my trailer connection, so when the trailer is loaded I can have mainly the electrical, but I put the glad hands up there to hook the air lines up so they're not swinging around. That way they're halfway secure. So that's all looking pretty good. Here is the chain box. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this or not, but my wrapper box that I built this. What I did is got the head rack on when I got my bunk on, and then I did the 5-foot deck plate, and then I just had, I think I got 27 inches here, so I made it 27 inches. And then, like I say, I got some square tubing to hold the binders. So yeah, I think it'll work out just right. Got our deck plate here, got frame steps and some half fenders. I already got a bunch of sap on them that I need to polish off. Maybe I'll do that today real fast. But I did do some custom mounts for the rear of the half fenders. So they're kind of like a two-piece I made a bracket here that bolts on the frame, comes off, and then made this bracket to bolt to the half fender. Kind of borrowed the idea from the Triple R Rackley low beds. They build a really nice, really heavy duty rear half fender bracket. So that's kind of where I got the idea, and then my dad helped me and we made that. So they seem real solid so far, so I'm hoping that that works out pretty good. Got our rear deck plate on, and yeah, like I said before, never did get to the double tapering of the Stinger, so maybe next winter, but this is fine the way it is. Did put the stock tail lights up there, and let's see, I guess we'll move on to the trailer. So this trailer is a 2024 Van Raden log trailer, and so far so good. It's been working out pretty good. It picks up pretty nice. It has this adjustable lifting strap, so I've got it back here in the second notch, and that seems to be a pretty good spot for the lifting. And it has disc brakes as well, so we're disc brakes all the way around. And still missing hubcaps for it. I think these hubs have a bigger outside bearing, or maybe the outside bearing is the same as the inside bearing. Not positive, but I know it's a bigger hubcap. So the hubcaps that I bought were too small, they wouldn't fit on there. So I got to find the correct bracket to mount on that hub so I can get the hubcaps on. So that's on the to-do list. It has the 3-spring Watson Chalin suspension, which I had before on a Whitlock trailer and seemed to work out just fine, so I went with that suspension. And I did put the Kenworth mud flaps on the trailer, so we're matching on the truck and trailer. Painted a little white on the back of the reach, got a little run in it, 2 runs. Was in kind of a hurry, and you're not supposed to be in a hurry when you're trying to paint, but she'll be just fine. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I still got quite a bit to do. I want to add my triple bar light up there under the bunk, which I have the brackets. I pretty much have everything. I just need to sit down and take the time to put it on. So I'm hoping over the next couple months I'll be able to add some of the extras that I wanted to add to it. I'm even going to put a light here under the bolster here shining out. So yeah, it's looking turned out pretty nice. But yes, there are quite a few things left to do. Got to put some extra lights on the truck. I want to put a light somewhere in here in the middle, an amber light. I'm thinking I might just do right here in the half fender bracket. That's what I did on the other truck and seemed to like it okay. And then I'll just run the wire in there. So little things like that. Don't have the spare tire on yet. I actually really like it without it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on or not. I have everything to do it. Just got to paint it and stuff, so we'll see how the time goes. Maybe it'll be something we'll do next winter. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with how the truck turned out. It drives pretty good, so that's good. Close the hood so you can get a better look. Alright, sorry about that. GoPro battery is now charged up. So yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. got lots of things that I still want to get done to the truck. I got a new bumper for it. I'm going to put a 16-inch tapered on it, put the underglow under it. I'd like to add some mud flaps to the battery box, or the filter box, excuse me, and the battery box on the other side. I put the longer flaps on the hood, but I want to put some more there. But yeah, got quite a few ideas. Just need some time to deal with putting them on. So anyway, yeah, I think that will be okay as a little kind of a finished video. It's not finished, but it's hauling logs. And yeah, I will try to get back into filming some clips out in the woods. We'll see how that goes. It's kind of hard to get out there and film with people around, but we'll try to get something going. If that's, hopefully you guys watched or like watching those. So anyway, with that, yeah, thanks as usual. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think of this truck. And yeah, I'll try to get some more videos coming your way, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.